Hi, my name is Achim Stahl. I'm the product line manager for Synaptics in CODICO. CODICO is a distributor for Synaptics in Europe. We are proud to present the new Synaptics product here at the CODICO booth at Embedded World 25.
It's really a busy booth, huh? Embedded World is a big deal for you?
Embedded World is the most important show for CODICO. We meet a lot of industry professionals, talented engineers, and we have a high quality discussion with those customers. We join our customers from the idea over the realization into the mass production. As a part of this activity, we show new applications. Here we have the Astra Machina from Synaptics. We have the SL1680 family, which was introduced a year ago. And we have the most recent part, the SR110, the Astra Machina micro kit. And also we have a module from Grin, which is the most high integrated board solution, which is available today on the market and using the SL1680. And there has been a high interest over the last 3 days from the customer base and also from many opportunities and interested engineers. We have here a demo running where we measure the heart frequency via a video stream. The video is capturing the skin variation with each heartbeat, and over this skin variation delta from one frame to the next frame, we can calculate the heartbeat rate.
And this is a partnership with a startup?
This is a partnership with a company in Switzerland, Darwin Edge. It's a software hardware company and consultant company. They work a lot into the medical space. They do development under the umbrella vital VRSM.
Health industry, for example?
Yeah, it's a health industry case.
Yeah, and you have a lot of partnerships with development teams. You have engineers in the company developing things?
We have support engineers in CODICO which help customers in the realization of their product ideas. They are very technical, they are experienced hardware developers, and we also have a network of software companies which we can direct our customers to for help, for support, to get to the markets quickly.
So these boards are available on CODICO's website today?
Those boards are available in the sample shop. We can ship the Astra Machina kit from stock. We have now also the Grin module in our portfolio, and the SR110 Machina micro kit will be available from May onwards in our shop.
And if people want to develop something with this new board there, they can contact you and start to do projects?
Absolutely. We are experts in helping customers to get from the idea into realization very quickly. We have experienced engineers to support this activity.